Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a brand new day. And we, on Cats Who Watch Catbirds, are happy to have ya. So please, won't ya have us? We're yours, whether you like it or not. Our subjects, Miss Kitten Esperanza, and all her wonderful rodent friends. That's right, all three of them. Chippy McChipperton, Squirrely Squirrel, and the newcomer who just scoonched in with the birds. That's right, Screwy Squirrel. They're all here to entertain you. So what do you say, ya? Pull up them slacks. Let's go!